Did you know that cardio exercises are one of the most effective ways to burn calories and shed body fat? It's true. Cardio not only helps you lose weight, but also strengthens your heart, boosts energy, and improves overall health. Plus, regular cardio can increase your metabolism for hours after your workout through the afterburn effect, helping your body burn fat even while you rest. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, combining regular physical activity with a healthy diet is essential for weight loss. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. In this video, we'll guide you through an easy and effective cardio workout to reduce full body fat, improve stamina, and boost your mood. Let's get started. Before jumping into the main workout, it's important to warm up your body. Warming up helps loosen muscles, increase blood flow, and reduce injury risk. For this 2-minute warm-up, we'll focus on dynamic movements to engage your entire body and elevate your heart rate. Start with body rotations for 1 minute. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place your hands on your hips or extend your arms to the sides. Gently rotate your torso to the left and right, allowing your spine to twist naturally. Engage your core and move smoothly to release tension and improve mobility in your back, waist, and shoulders. Next, move into step jacks for 1 minute. Stand tall and step 1 foot out while raising your arms overhead, then return to the start position. Alternate sides, warming up your arms, legs, and shoulders while increasing your heart rate. Once your body feels ready, let's dive into the workout. Push yourself during each move, but remember to listen to your body and modify when needed. Let's jump into round 1. We begin with jumping jacks. This is a classic cardio move that gets your heart rate up right from the start. Stand tall with your feet together and your hands by your sides. Jump both feet out wide while raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Keep your movements quick and fluid. This exercise is excellent for warming up your entire body, engaging your legs, arms, and core. After 40 seconds of jumping jacks, take a 20-second rest. Next, we move on to high knee jacks. Start by bringing your knees up toward your chest as you simultaneously raise your arms overhead, mimicking the action of a jumping jack. Drive your knees high, engaging your core with each movement. This variation adds a little extra intensity, working your core, legs, and arms, while also improving coordination and flexibility. Push through each knee raise and then rest for 20 seconds after 40 seconds of exercise. Following that, we'll do skater jumps. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Jump to one side, landing on your left foot, and bring your right leg behind you in a skating motion, tapping the floor with your opposite hand. Then jump to the other side, landing on your right foot and tapping the floor with your left hand. This exercise not only burns calories but also tones your legs, glutes, and core. Make sure to land softly to protect your knees and focus on explosive lateral movement. After 40 seconds of skater jumps, rest for 20 seconds. Now let's move on to the side lunge windmill. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Step out to the side with your right foot, bending your knee and lowering your body into a side lunge while keeping your left leg straight. At the same time, rotate your torso, reaching your left hand toward your right foot. Then return to standing and repeat on the other side. This dynamic move works your legs, glutes, and core, while also improving flexibility in your hips and back. After 40 seconds, rest for 20 seconds. Next, we have burpee side taps. Start in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the ground as you jump your feet back into a plank position. Perform a push-up if you can, then jump your feet forward to your hands and tap 1 foot out to the side. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Burpees are a challenging full-body exercise, and adding the side tap helps you target your legs and core. Make sure to land softly and perform the movement with control to avoid injury. After 40 seconds, rest for 20 seconds. After the burpee side taps, we'll move to plank reaches. Start in a plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels, keeping your core tight. Reach your right hand forward, then return it to the ground. Alternate with your left hand, reaching forward in a controlled motion. This exercise challenges your core stability and works your shoulders and arms. Focus on keeping your hips as still as possible while reaching forward to maximize the workout's effectiveness. Rest for 20 seconds after 40 seconds of plank reach. We end round 1 with punches. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and your core engaged. throw alternating punches in front of you, focusing on quick, controlled movements. Keep your elbows slightly bent and rotate your torso as you punch. This exercise helps engage your shoulders, arms, and core, while also giving you a chance to release some energy and work on coordination. Punch quickly for 40 seconds, and then rest for 20 seconds. Now let's dive into round 2. We begin with step-back jacks. Start in a standing position, then step your right foot back while raising your arms overhead, similar to a jumping jack. Bring your right foot back to the center and return your arms to the starting position. Alternate stepping back with your left foot, raising your arms overhead with each step. This variation of jumping jacks engages your legs and arms, and because you're stepping instead of jumping, it provides a low-impact option while still offering a great cardio workout. Continue for 40 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Next, we'll do push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest is just above the floor, then push back up to the starting position. If you need to modify the push-up, feel free to drop your knees to the ground. Push-ups are great for building upper body strength, targeting the chest, arms, and core. Perform as many push-ups as you can in 40 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Following the push-ups, we have forward jump. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then bend your knees and jump forward as far as you can, landing softly on the balls of your feet. After landing, step back to the starting position and repeat the movement. This explosive move engages your legs, glutes, and core while improving your power and agility. Make sure to land softly to reduce impact on your joints. After 40 seconds of forward jumps, rest for 20 seconds. Next up is slow mountain climbers. Begin in a plank position with your body in a straight line. Slowly bring your right knee toward your chest, focusing on keeping your core engaged. Return your right foot to the starting position and then bring your left knee towards your chest. Move slowly and deliberately, ensuring your form is correct and that your hips remain stable. Slow mountain climbers challenge your core, shoulders, and legs and help improve overall strength and endurance. Perform this for 40 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Following mountain climbers, we'll do lateral steps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your knees slightly bent. Step to the right with your right foot, then bring your left foot to meet it. Continue stepping side to side, staying low to activate your glutes and legs. This move works your lower body and helps improve lateral movement and coordination. Keep your core tight throughout the exercise and make sure to step wide enough to engage the muscles in your legs. After 40 seconds, rest for 20 seconds. Next, we have knee raises. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Lift your right knee as high as possible while raising your left arm overhead. Then switch and raise your left knee with your right arm overhead. Alternate quickly, adding a slight hop for extra intensity. This move works your legs, core, and arms while improving your balance and coordination. Continue for 40 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Finally, we end with the windmill. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Extend your arms straight out to the sides, then rotate them in large circles. Focus on engaging your shoulders, arms, and core as you perform the windmill. This exercise helps improve shoulder mobility, warms up the upper body, and engages your core. After 40 seconds of windmills, you're done. You've made it through the workout. Now take a moment to cool down and stretch your muscles. Stretching will help improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and bring your heart rate back to normal. Great job completing this cardio workout. Remember, consistency is the key to achieving your fitness goals. Pairing regular exercise with a healthy diet can help burn fat, boost energy, and improve overall well-being. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more effective fitness routines and tips. Every step you take gets you closer to a healthier, stronger version of you. Thank you for working out with us.